Who's the teacher who's going to take our lecture today?
I don't have any idea, bro.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, let us start the lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Last time I was telling you about elements of novel, drama and all. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody wants to ask anything from the last lecture? If anything is not clear to you, you can ask me. No questions, no queries.
No questions from my end, ma'am.
What about other students?
That's what I'm thinking. Why are not they replying you?
टीचर
Ma'am, why
कहाँ
don't
है?
you? Ma'am,
टीचर
I just have
क्लास
to
में
ask,
ही
why aren't you
है.
using Microsoft Word?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is genre?
हाँ.
Genre.
It's not genre. It's genre. I will tell you.
What genre?
Genre is a type
I
or
will tell you.
it's the type of story you're going to read. Genre is a taste, or it could be horror, it could be adventure, it could be romance. That's the genre of a story. Understand?
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I will tell you what is what. Acha, somebody posted me one question in the Google Classroom that you want to know about the books. Which books you should refer? Angel had posted this question. Correct, Angel? Are you able to listen me?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yeah, you
Yes.
posted this question. You want to know the books. Which books you should study for your this paper. See, everyone's portion is different and everyone's books are different. I mean, I will teach you 2 stories, and for that I will give you the text books from where you can find the stories, or I will share the PDF with you. Now, so I can't tell you one book that you can refer and read the whole syllabus from that book. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
It's not like economics, political science or sociology that, or FC. I can tell you this book you read, it consists of your whole syllabus. The whole syllabus is there in this book. There is nothing like that. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else has any question? Otherwise I will start with the lecture. Last time I was telling you elements. What is literature? Now I have told you what is literature in my last lecture. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
literature?
Literature is an artistic expression of the happening of the society in a particular age using emotion and imagination.
Correct. So literature is artistic expression. Okay. So when we say artistic expression, it means the language which we use in our day-to-day life is not used. Okay. Rather it is creative language. It is artistic language which is used. For example, if I say she is beautiful, it is the language we use in our day-to-day life. Correct. If I say she is beautiful, it is the language which we use in our day-to-day life. If I say she is moon, I mean to express her beauty only when I am comparing her beauty
Her to the
with,
moon.
correct? But first
Yes, ma'am.
sentence, she is beautiful, is the language we use in our day-to-day life. But if the writer said she is beautiful, the writer is not using artistic language. But when the writer uses she is moon, it is creative use of language or artistic use of language. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So literature is artistic use of language. When I'm saying it means that, then so when you read any novel, any drama, any poem, any short story, that tells you about what's happening in the society. But the writer is telling you using artistic language. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then it also makes use of emotion and imagination. Now when I say she is beautiful, no doubt I am talking about her beauty, but when I say she is moon, you can imagine more about her beauty. Correct
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way the writer makes creative use of language, artistic use of language, using emotion as well as imagination. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I am giving a recap of what I taught last time, and then we will move further. Then I told you about elements of various. You were asking me this. What is genre? Genre means literary form. I talked to you about literary forms last time. Novel, drama, short story. Told na?
Yes, ma'am.
Who asked me what is genre? I am asking that fellow only. I told you about these things last time. Poetry. These are literary forms or literary genre, you can say. Hello. Is it clear to that student who asked?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
this literary forms or genre, one thing. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I told you about elements of novel, short story. What are the various elements of the novel or short story or drama? Almost same elements are used in novel, drama or short story. What is there? Plot,
Plots, characteristic, language, style, dramatic,
characters,
technique.
correct. Then narrative technique or dramatic
Yes.
technique, correct.
Stage setting.
That is part of drama. I am talking about common elements. Okay, novel, short story, drama. Plot, characters, technique, language, style.
Ma'am, dialogues.
1 minute. Yeah, language, style, and setting. Correct. Setting means location. These are common elements of all literary forms. Okay, novel, drama, short story. Even in poetry, if it is telling a poem is telling any story. Okay, suppose Bible, take Ramayana, take Mahabharata. All these are written in poetic forms only. Okay, so there will be plot, there will be characters, there will be technique, there will be language, style, setting also. Okay, so what is extra in drama? Stage setting. Okay, stage setting and music, and the technique will be dramatic because it is performed on the stage. So dramatic technique will be used. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is regarding drama. Okay. Besides plot, characters, language, style, these elements are there. Okay. In all literary forms, generally, these are elements of drama. Beside these elements, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we talk about poetry, now poetry is comparatively different. What is the difference? Novel is written in prose form. Drama may be written in prose or poetic form. Okay. So novel, when we say novel, it's always written in prose. Correct? When we say drama, it may be written in prose as well as, sorry, drama. When we talk about drama, drama may be prose or poetry. Clear? When we talk about poetry, poetry is written in stanza, verse form, which is known as verse form. Okay, and stanza. It's divided into stanza, no? Poetry divided into stanza. While novel is written in paragraph, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, for novel, we use paragraph, correct? Whose audio is switched on? Novel is in paragraph and drama is in, what do we use for drama? Drama is in dialogue form, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? No confusion to anybody, no? So what are the various, in poetry, language, style counts a lot, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in poetry we talk about, in drama, novel, poetry we talk about Everybody had noted down this much. Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, switch off
Dude,
your
please
audio.
mute yourselves.
Mute yourself, or otherwise I will have to do that. If you are not doing, I will do it. Anybody wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, so I should continue. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. So we were talking about, now whenever you read novel, short story, drama, you will keep these points, elements of novel, drama, short story in mind. Okay, that what you need to know: plot, characters, language, style, narrative technique, correct setting. So whenever you read, then you also need to understand the title, whether title is suitable or not. Okay, suitability of title. Now title, how title is given? Title is given keeping in mind main incident, character, okay, on the name of the main character or main incident in the novel, short story or drama, or
Basically,
main,
the theme of story on which
yeah,
the story is based on.
main place, okay. It can be symbolic, even the title can be symbolic based on the main theme, okay. So main incident, when we say character, place, okay, theme, main incident, or you can say theme, message. Clear? So this way you decide whether the title is suitable or not. Then we talk about language, whether language is simple. Language and style, when we say, so we try to find out language and style. When we say language is simple or difficult, style is simple or difficult, whether it's understandable to you or not. Okay. Similarly, plot also can be simple or difficult. Yes. Hey, please mute yourself. Who is this? Plot is simple or difficult. There are stories within the story. There may be subplot even. There may be two parallel stories running in the novel. Okay. So that makes plot difficult sometimes. So you know. Then setting. Setting means location. Surrounding. Okay. So whether the setting or location, surrounding of the novel, drama, where it is located, in a city, town. So you, whether you know the time of day, means whether you know the name of the city or town. Then story is about night time or daytime, morning, afternoon, evening, or complete night. Okay. Then which year, sometimes year is also mentioned in the story. So all this talks about location, surrounding, setting, which also gives you idea about food habits, culture of that particular community, group or family which has been mentioned in the story. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Characters, we come to know how many characters are there in the story, novel or drama, short story. Characters, correct, whether they are simple or complex, their personality is simple or complex to understand, है ना. Characters personality, we come to know their physical appearance, है ना. then their qualities. Okay, through their dialogue section we come to know their qualities, correct? So all these things tell you about characters. What is their role in the story drama, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Literary text. Is it clear how to understand the character?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then technique. What technique has been used in the novel or the short story? Can I erase this much you have written? Every one of you have written. Don't take screenshots. You note down in your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, please mute yourself. Audio must be switched off. बैकग्राउंड नॉइस डिस्टर्ब्स द लेक्चर. ये पूरा लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, उसमें आपका बैकग्राउंड नॉइस भी रिकॉर्ड होगा. डू यू वांट दैट टू बी डन?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am erasing it now. Everybody has written it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now next. So we come to know about so many things. When we talk about technique, whether technique is simple, modern, traditional. Modern or traditional. Okay. Whether the writer has used modern technique or traditional technique, whether it is novel, drama, short story. Okay. Then in traditional technique, the story starts from the beginning itself. Okay. In modern technique, it begins in the middle of the things, like cinematic technique, flashback is used. So all these things you must understand. Now when we talk about poetry, we have to see, in poetry we analyze line by line, word by word, correct? Because poetry is very short in comparison to novel or drama, correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
So we analyze line by line, word by word, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then we try to understand the content by analyzing it line by line and word by word. Content, theme, message given by the poet. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we try to also understand the language, vocabulary used by the poet in that particular poem. Because poetry is comparatively shorter, so you can analyze it line by line, word by word, and see whether language is difficult or not. Okay, which parts of speech has been used by the writer more. Okay, part of speech used. Then you also see words are monosyllabic, disyllabic, or polysyllabic.
Ma'am, can you please explain about monosyllabic,
Yeah, I will
and
explain. Let me complete first.
Okay.
Okay. Language, what type of language is used? Okay, which type of words have been used more? Whether the language is simple or difficult. Okay, then we also talk about style. When we say style, again, whether the style is traditional or modern. Now when we talk about style, traditional or modern, traditional style is that you use in every line, you use punctuation marks. Okay, punctuation. Traditional style means you make use of punctuation marks, capital letter in every line. Okay, the poem is divided into stanza. It's written in verse form, use of rhyme and rhythm. Modern style means no use of punctuation mark or less use of punctuation mark. So all these things you need to understand when you are reading poem. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is monosyllabic, what is
Ma'am.
disyllabic, what is polysyllabic? I am writing few words on the whiteboard, and you can then we will discuss what is. For example, I write the word cat. Okay, then I write the word teacher, doctor. Two words are more prominent nowadays, na? Don't you think?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
COVID-19, so doctors are important. The
Doctors and
lectures are
teachers.
ongoing, so teachers are important. Online.
Yes.
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 Now, when you pronounce the word cat, what do you see when you pronounce the word cat?
It is the only thing,
What only thing?
like monosyllabic. I guess the cat word goes for monosyllabic.
Cat.
Like-
Now, when you pronounce the word cat, book, or when you pronounce the word teacher, doctor, do you see any difference?
Yes, ma'am.
When you pronounce the word cat, you can pronounce in one breath. You need not pause at all.
Yeah.
Cat.
So, cat and book are monosyllabic. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you pronounce these words, you need not pause and they are monosyllabic. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But when you pronounce the words like doctor, teacher, what happens? You pause for few seconds. Teacher, doctor. Clear?
Yeah.
But when you pronounce cat, you don't say cat, book. ऐसे नहीं बोलते ना? Clear? So these words, when you pronounce in one breath where you don't pause, those words are monosyllabic. But teacher and doctor are
Disyllabic.
disyllabic. Okay? Teacher. So these are disyllabic. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But for example, take words like intelligent. How many syllables are there? If you see, intelligent, 4 syllables. So it is polysyllabic. More than 2 syllables becomes polysyllabic. Is it clear? Environment, environment, adjustment, all these words are polysyllabic. Is it clear? Who
Yes,
asked
ma'am.
me about syllabic and polysyllabic?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, clear.
Okay.
Yes.
So whatever I have told you till now is clear to you,
Yes.
to every one of you.
Yes, ma'am.
No confusion.
No confusion.
Wow. Whether I am very intelligent or you are very intelligent.
Ma'am, you are
No, ma'am.
intelligent.
The way you
Or
teach.
I can say I am very poor.
No, ma'am. No, no, no.
Student don't have question when the teacher is either too intelligent or the teacher is too poor. So I think I am too poor. So you don't
No,
have
ma'am. No.
anything.
Vice versa.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the way you teach,
Huh?
it is just,
Just what?
Amazing.
Amazing.
yeah, amazing.
You are buttering me?
No,
Little
I'm
bit.
not buttering you.
Yes, ma'am, he is.
It's expensive these days.
You are buttering me ना? मस्का लगा रहे हो ना
No,
मेरे
no,
को?
I'm not.
मैं
नहीं मैम
slip-
मस्का महंगा है आजकल.
नहीं मैं स्लिप हो जाएगी, मस्का मत लगाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
मजाक कर रही हूँ.
Okay, we'll choose
I'm
first.
seriously
Firstly.
asking you. You have understood whatever I've taught you till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
I
ma'am.
haven't started with the syllabus proper. I am just giving you idea about
Overview.
literature. Okay? Because first 1-2 lectures I feel should be general lectures, so student become familiar with my teaching technique, teaching methodology. And if you have any problem with my teaching, you can tell me. I mean, whether I should speak faster, whether I should speak slow, volume wise low or high, and
No,
anything.
ma'am, you're just perfect. So don't worry.
Okay. So no confusion, no?
Yeah,
Not
ma'am, no
that.
confusion.
Not at all. Okay, good. But there should be some queries always, I feel. Okay, so this was regarding what is literature, what are the various literary forms or genres, and what are the elements of the various literary forms or genre. Okay, so which you need to know. Understood? Now I have to do with you background first. Okay, so let us go to the syllabus. FYBA English. Where is the syllabus? Yes. Now somebody was asking me, you student asked me so many questions sometimes. Somebody had asked whether this is the syllabus for semester 1 or semester 2 in the Google Classroom. Now see, you don't even try to see, go up and down and see whether the syllabus contains full syllabus or it's for I have shared with you the full syllabus, semester 1 and 2. You don't even try to see, scroll down and up and see whether the full syllabus is there, or is it for semester 1 only, or is it for semester 2 only. We shouldn't do that. Okay, so it is the full syllabus. Now I have done with you elements of novel and short story. Correct? Done na?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to do these topics: plot, character, setting. Is it clear? And what is novel and what is short story. Okay, so these 5 topics I will be dealing with you under background. Is it clear? What is novel,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
short story, what is plot, what is character, and what is setting. Remaining part will be done by the another teacher. So this is from unit 1 I will be dealing with, and from unit 2 I will be doing 2 stories. O. Henry's The Last Leaf and H. Munro's The Open Window. Remaining stories will be done by another teacher. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am doing, first I will start with novel and short story, these background topics, unit 1. Okay, terms. Okay, then we will start with the stories, because you need to understand what is novel, what is short story, what is plot in detail, what is character, what is setting. Then that will help you to understand the stories. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will do with you first novel. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I am writing on the whiteboard, you can note down. Okay, that will become your note. Na? Is it clear? So what is the term novel means? Novel. N-O-V-E-L. Novel word is very much in trend nowadays. You know why?
Why,
Yes,
ma'am?
please switch off your audio, mute your audio. Yes. Why novel word is in trend nowadays?
I think everyone read novel in free time. Like
Okay.
they have free
What
time.
else? What else? Yes.
Novel as in new,
Shrujla. Yes.
because of the coronavirus.
What is it known as?
coronavirus.
COVID.
Novel coronavirus.
Yes, novel
Yes.
coronavirus, novel NOV, no, COVID-19. You know, this pandemic, because coronavirus has attacked the human society earlier too. Do you know? When SARS and MERS disease pandemic was there, then it didn't affect at large scale, but then the coronavirus was there. Okay, so novel means, what is the meaning of novel? The word novel.
New.
Is it clear? So the word novel means new. Is it clear? It means novel is new form of literature. Is it clear? In every language, novel was the new form of literature. In every country, language, literature, novel was new form, because poetry in the beginning, in the literature of every age, language, country, poetry was written first. Is it clear? Poetry
Yes,
and
ma'am.
drama were written, and so novel is new form of writing. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
So what
Yes,
are
ma'am.
its various elements? I have told you just now. Plot, that is your content, which also talks about theme, message. Then characters, correct?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
setting, then narrative technique, language and style. Then you have to also see whether the title is suitable or not. Now novel is a narrative form. Okay, it's new form of literature which is narrative. Okay, and longer than short story or story. Longer than story. Is it clear? How do you define novel? It is a new form of literature which is a narrative and it's longer than story. Is it clear? There are many novels written in every language and every literature. Okay, the novel may have more than one main story. Okay, it means plot and subplot. Is it clear to you? You see, in any novel, suppose the story of two families is discussed simultaneously, narrated simultaneously. Yes, please mute yourself. I will mute now, everyone. So a novel may have more than one main story. So can have plot as well as subplot. For example, there can be a film which has story of two families running simultaneously. So a novel can have two family story. Okay, two stories simultaneously running in that. So that makes the plot complex. If it is only one story of one family, then it is simple plot. Okay, complex means plot and subplot. Is it clear? Simple means only one plot. Is it clear? Then when we talk about narrative technique, It means it can be simple, that is traditional. If it is traditional technique of narration, how the story is told to you, if then it becomes simple. If it is complex, it is modern. Is it clear? So it's complex, then it becomes modern. Then we talk about characters. Characters can be in any novel, characters can be flat, dynamic. Okay. Who are the famous novelists? If we take example of British literature, there are so many novelists who are famous, but I will give you 1-2 names only. In 20th century we have James Joyce. Okay. Hello, have you understood whatever I have discussed about novel?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Note it down this much. Should I raise it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
ये कौन है जिसका ऑडियो स्विच ऑन है? म्यूट करने को बोला है फिर भी समझ नहीं आता है. So it is about, now what is flat character and what is dynamic character? Flat character doesn't grow from beginning to end. The flat character remains as it is, while dynamic characters keep on changing, grows a lot. Okay, so whether the novel has flat character or dynamic character, that also you need to understand. Now in British literature we have so many famous novelists. I am just giving 1-2 names. James Joyce, 20th century novelist I am talking about. Virginia Woolf. Okay. In Indian literature I can talk about many novelists. Can you tell me name of any novelist in Indian literature, Indian English literature? Do you read? You said that
Amitav
novel.
Ghosh.
Robin-
Amitav Ghosh.
Robin
Yes.
Sharma.
और अमिताभ घोष के अलावा?
Ma'am, Robin Sharma.
Yes. Who else? Amish Tripathi.
Amish
Yes.
Tripathi.
Who else? Then one that Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan
Have you
Bhagat,
read
ma'am.
Chetan Bhagat's novel?
Yes, ma'am.
Any female writer? Do you know any female novelist?
Kavita Kane.
Mulk Raj Anand.
Mulk Raj Anand. Who else?
Kavita Kane. She
Yes.
writes
Who
mythology.
else? Yeah. Who else? There are many. Anita Nair.
Arvind Adiga.
Arvind Adiga. Yes, very good.
The White
Anita
Tiger.
Nair is there.
Anita Desai.
Anita Desai is also there. Anita Nair is also there. Okay. Then Kavita Daswani. Then there are so many, I mean. Chitra Devkarni Banerjee. So many, I mean.
Yeah, there are many.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just giving you American literature. Can you give me name of any novelist? Ernest Hemingway. Okay. Then any novelist, you tell me. You haven't read American literature, maybe.
Harper Lee.
Huh?
Harper Lee.
You are not clearly audible.
Harper Lee.
Harper.
Yes.
John Green.
L. John Green is Graham Greene. Is not American novelist. He is British novelist. Okay. Graham Greene, na?
Ma'am,
No,
Mark
ma'am,
Twain.
John Green.
Graham Greene. Yes. You are saying something else.
Ma'am, Toni Morrison.
Toni Morrison. Yes.
Amber Smith.
Ma'am, James Henry.
Okay. So there are so many. I mean, it's difficult to recall and recollect and write down all names. Is it clear?
Yes. Ma'am, as you said
John
that
Michael. He's American.
Who is American?
John Michael Green, the writer of The Fault in
John
Our Stars.
Michael Green. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the novelists, famous novelists. Some novelists I have given, I can't give all, even nobody can recollect and remember all the names in any literature. There are so many writers. Is it clear?
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
has noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now when we talk about anybody has to ask anything or should I continue?
Ma'am, as you said that characteristic flat and dynamic. So you said that
Characteristics nahi, characters.
characters.
हाँ.
Characters.
Or
So,
characterization you can say. Characteristics are different, huh?
yes. So they grow. So in what manner they grow? Like in flat they never grow, and in dynamic they grow.
हाँ,
In what
action
manner?
wise, their action, their role in the novel.
Okay, ma'am, clear.
Okay, so if they don't play any prominent role, they remain as it is throughout the story of the novel. So they are flat characters. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
If they
continue.
play prominent role, so their personality, their role, their action grows throughout the novel. So they are dynamic characters. For example, if you watch a movie, okay, I'm giving through movie, you watch a movie where there are hero or heroines, correct? Beside that, side roles are there, na? Side hero we say, side hero, side heroine, and then there are comic characters. Throughout the story, they play that comic role only, no change in their behavior and action. So they like flat. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
the main hero or heroine, their roles keep on changing throughout the story, which runs the story, no? So they are dynamic. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else want to know anything else? So flat characters are also known as static characters. Okay. Then when we talk about characters, see there are characters who are main characters. Main character, hero or heroine, main character. So hero or heroine, they are known as protagonist. But they are known as protagonist. Is it clear? So there is one hero or heroine, and then there are villains. Okay, they are known
Side
as
characters.
antagonist. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see in the novel, if you read any novel, whether main character is hero, heroine, protagonist. The villain to that main character is known as antagonist. Understood? Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
main character can never be flat or static. Is it clear? The villain also can't be flat or static. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I raise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have more lectures.
Yes, ma'am. We have lecture. Next lecture.
Okay, so should I end the meeting for all? Now you
Yes.
have more lectures. It's time to
Yes,
end the
ma'am.
lecture.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm ending the lecture now. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Bye. Take care.
Yeah, I will take care. You also take care.
Sure, ma'am.
Chalo, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Meet again next time.
Bye bye, ma'am. Take care.